Hello disciples, so today is chapter 6 and I am in Lagos, my 4th day, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yes, my 4th day. So like I had said, we made some really expensive mistakes, and one of them was purchasing equipment that we knew very little about. We purchased solar panels that were sold to us as 200 watts when in reality they were 50 watt panels, and we didn't find that out until much later. We also sold inverters that were supposed to be able to handle up to a certain capacity. So an example is we sold a 1.5 kilowatt inverter, and with a surge, a 1.5 kilowatt inverter should handle a fridge. The 1.5 kilowatt inverters we sold couldn't handle fridges because they didn't have the surge ability. So think about your I better pass my neighbor generator. There's a reason why they cannot handle refrigerators, because they don't have the surge ability. We recognized this quite early and we replaced them at our cost. When they failed, we'd call the manufacturer and ask them, told them that we had a couple that failed and we needed replacements. And they started giving us the song and dance. Why did you use a generator on it? Why did you use a generator that was too big? Why did you use a generator that was too small? The stories just kept going on and back and forth. And our customers really don't have the patience to deal with the issue of going back and forth. So what we did was we went back on Alibaba.com and we found a brand that a lot of other manufacturers were copying and selling. And we settled on a manufacturer called Yen, and we purchased, I believe it was 14 or 15 of their inverters, and we brought them in. The first thing we did was replace them on every customer we've done installations for, and at the same time we corrected wiring deficiencies, we corrected wiring deficiencies from the first installation, the original installation. So we used better quality wire, higher gauge cables. So we used thicker cables, because you see a lot in Nigeria where people will install an inverter and they usually thin cables, and they wonder why the system is not performing very well. So we corrected all those. We brought in an inverter that we believed at the time to be, the inverter of all inverters, or the mother of all inverters, which eventually other people in Nigeria started to copy and sell. And when we brought them in, for our purposes, they were fine. But like everything else, as you evolve and as you mature and as you understand what you do better, you find that they really can serve your purpose. So we went back and we replaced all the inverters we had initially installed. We purchased new charge controllers, we added charge controllers to everyone, and people started to see some improvements in performance relative to the original installation. So what did we learn? One, we made a mistake, took a reputational hit. But what our customers appreciated was the fact that we were willing to accept responsibility and come back and correct that error at no cost to the customer. So what did that do? Customer service wise, that put us up there. Reputation wise, that also raised us quite a bit. That we were a new company that was willing to stand by their products and by their installations. Financially, what did that do? That set us back quite a bit, because replacing everything we installed and then trying to do new installations for us was very, very painful, but a very good lesson. So we'll talk again. We were supposed to talk about hiring and stuff, but I don't think we'll do that in this video. I'm trying to keep them under 5 minutes each time. The next one, we'll discuss our personal issues and their ongoing and their big challenges. So if you like what you see, please subscribe. If you've not subscribed, give us a thumbs up if you like it. Share with your friends, and make comments below. Either you can say, hey Chris, I'm excited at what I see. Chris, you could do something different. Or Chris, nice strategy to go back and correct customers. Just make a comment. You let me know you guys that you're watching, and also you're responding to what I put out on the video. So once again, Christopher Wansaya coming to you from Lagos, Nigeria. Thank you for watching.